Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to find Payoneer account number and routing number. So first, just simply go to the payoneer.com, and after that, just simply sign in into your account. And now from here, just simply go to the left side of the screen over here once you are signed in, and just simply go to the get a paid icon over here on the left side menu. And after that, guys, just simply go ahead and go for the receiving accounts over here. So just simply click on this, the third one. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and select your account that you want to check the account number and routing number with. Won't be able to show you, but if you do, you can just simply click on it. And after clicking on your account, guys, Pioneer will show its details, and from there you should be able to find your account number and routing number, and just simply grab a pen and paper to write them down or put it on your phone notes. And once you got the number, make sure to keep them safe and handy because you might need them for the future transaction, so it's essential to have them somewhere safe. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.